with another video. Now this was a funny match. It's like a coincidence. I got Kirby on random when my friend was playing DDD again. Lol. $69. Hey, I always get his King DDD to 69%. What the hell? Get out of here. My hammer's better. Whoa! Home run! Get out of the park. Yeah, I went into my down B form, but just like took me out of it. I thought he was gonna be in range, and then that happened. I didn't even mean to use both of those moves. I thought I was gonna throw because I was like, oh, wrong move again. I literally used the wrong moves twice. That wasn't supposed to be my B. That wasn't supposed to be my side B, especially in the other direction. So I was doing really good, and I didn't want to throw this, so... Home run! See, what happened was he accidentally let go of it. He was trying to jump up and then swing it, which probably would have killed me. Since I think it would have hit if he got the jump duration and then the swing. But, oops, I tripped. And, home run! Oops, I tripped on the face. Ooh. That's basically what, like, King DDD's dash attack means to me. It's like whenever you run towards someone, you're just like, oh, I'm gonna get you. Oh, sorry, tripped on your face. And then you just die. But yeah, that was funny. I thought that was a cool little fight. Kirby versus DDD. And then, those hammer kills. Stop. Hammer time. Mom's being a bitch. Only thing that's like about Kirby's side B that only thing that I don't like, it has a delay in the swing, so it's pretty easy to block and predictable. You gotta basically read your opponent out when you use it. I'm still not that great at it, but at least I kill people with it. Well, peace, guys.